Good morning, YouTube. This your guy, Raekwon, back with another video. As y'all can see, it is raining. Yes, it is raining this morning. And then today is the day that I go get my prom stuff for Saturday night. Because prom is Saturday. And today is the day when I go get my prom stuff. So, yes, y'all, it is raining. This could be my second time vlogging in the rain and driving in the rain too. So I am gonna be driving in the rain. So yes, we finna have fun in the rain today, y'all. We finna have fun in the rain. And then also I gotta go back to the library to go print out a piece of paper and then go turn it into my teacher so she can grade it, and then I can just be done with everything. And then what else? And just go to MK Suits to go get my prom stuff, and that's about it. That's all that's happened today. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some more stuff happening today, but at the moment that's all that happened today. So I'm gonna go up in here, take me a shower, brush my teeth, comb my hair and shit, and get ready to start my day. So people, let's go. Ooh, I almost forgot. Yes, people, it is raining. So, let's go. I'm back, y'all. Yes, I'm back, and unfortunately, it's still raining outside. Yes, it's still raining outside. Well, I just got done taking a shower, brush my teeth, comb my hair, put on some clothes, and now I'm ready to start my day. And also, unfortunately, y'all, I have to wait till tomorrow to get my stuff for prom and everything. My jacket ain't ready. My jacket's not ready. So I gotta go out there tomorrow to get my stuff tomorrow. Unfortunately, I can't go out there today. But I'm on my way to the library to get done finish my work for English class, and also what else I gotta do? Oh yeah, I gotta fill out an application online for this warehouse job that I'm trying to work at. Yes, people, I'm finna get a job and hopefully go out to eat or something. Cause I'm hungry, y'all. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Hopefully we go out to eat. But in the meantime, check out some of this road footage on the way to the library. Mom, how many times I told you to bring your trucker to my school and we could do it for free? Very much. I'm back, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Raekwon at the pump, so let's go ahead and get started. So, open it. Oh my god, I dropped the thing. Get that up. Get that right there, turn around. Get this. Bear with me, y'all. I'm doing this with one hand. Put it up in here. Get that. Press that. See what we finna put up in here. While that's doing that, I already left the library, went to school, turned my stuff in. Went to the gas station, the Grizzly Mark on Holmes Road. And when we leave here, we're on our way to Cicis Pizza. Let's go eat some food, y'all. Cicis Pizza. Put $5 up in here. Need that. Finna take this. Finna take that out. Put that back over here.
Help maintain vehicle safety.
Yeah, put that back right there. Get this thing. Let's get this thing. Put it back over here. Yeah. Ooh, I'm struggling. Struggling. Right here. There we go, y'all. Raekwon at the pump. But y'all, in the meantime, check out some of this road footage going to Cicis Pizza. Hold up.
You just want me to go pick it up.
What?
Go soup.
They say my jacket don't come in until tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow. So we're gonna go when you go out to get our food.
Tomorrow? Yeah. Made it to Cicis Pizza. Now we finna go eat. So, get y'all back later. Okay, guys. I'm back. Oh, geez. I'm up here at this Kroger's. I'm up here at this Kroger's now. But there's a Taco Bell over there. I think it's a Kmart store over there. But Kroger's behind me. Who just left Cicis Pizza? Lord have mercy. That shit got me full, y'all. I'm full as hell. I'm full as hell. Damn, y'all. I'm full. Oh, y'all just don't know. I'm ready to go home, go to sleep. Take a good ass nap. Take one good ass nap. But the food was good, though. I ain't gonna lie. It was food. The food was good. Yeah, the food was good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I had like 3 plates. 3 plates. That's my limit at CC Pizza. 3 plates. After 3 plates, I'm done. I'm done, y'all. I'm done. His ass still play with his child. He need to go ahead and put her ass in the car. But yeah, CC got me tired. I'm full, y'all. I even went live on Facebook before I did this. While CC, go check that out on my Facebook page at Raekwon McLaughlin. Check out my live video at CC's. But oh Lord, CC got me tired, y'all. But like I said before, I gotta go to the place in the morning. No, I don't. Change of plans. We going after the MK Suits tomorrow after school. After I leave school tomorrow. Yes, after I leave school tomorrow. And all this shit. So yeah, so after school tomorrow, going to the MK Suits. And also, I'm getting my pimping, aka the White Beauty. I don't even know why they hate I call this John White Beauty. I need to get this truck a name. I do. I need to get this truck a name. I don't know what I'm gonna get this truck a name. I don't know what to call this thing. But at the moment, it's called White Beauty. Yes, White Beauty or Mr. White. I might just call him Mr. White. Then I'm gonna call him Mr. White. Yep, Mr. White, cause this is a white truck.
I really like the woman though, fool. That's crazy.
Okay, hold on. I'm on YouTube. Yes, sir.
I think that's something I really want to
Mr. White. So Mr. White getting service tomorrow. He getting an oil change and a tune-up tomorrow. So this truck could be riding good tomorrow.
Little cigarette ass.
But what is happening tomorrow? Like I said, I'm going back out there to the place tomorrow, get my stuff tomorrow.
What you doing with him?
What?
Recording it, man.
I ain't recording nothing. I've been recording since before he even pulled up.
Yeah, you gonna record another man. They gonna sue your
I
ass.
ain't gonna do shit. You fucked that thing, folks. I've been recording for like, shit, almost 4 minutes now at this point. But, like I said, y'all, tomorrow I gotta go to the place after school to get my prom stuff. Mr. White getting his oil change and a tune-up tomorrow.
And I want to blow my bro.
And shit, when I get home, I'm going straight to fucking sleep. Like, I'm full as hell, y'all. CC got me wiped out. Like, no bullshit. But I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. Yes, it's the end portion of today's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end this joint today, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy watching today's vlog like I enjoyed making today's vlog. Yes. And also, I appreciate y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. But when you do subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell, because y'all gonna get crazy ass videos like this today. Okay? Okay, people? Okay, people. Until next time, y'all. This your guy, Raekwon. Oh, shoot, y'all. I almost forgot. The rain stopped. I'm glad that the rain stopped. Now it's dry. Now the sun trying to come out and everything.
Oh, that shit bigger than mine.
So Yes, the rain stopped. Now the sun trying to come up. But until next time, y'all. This your guy Raekwon.
Oh.
And I'm out.
Where you get the weed from?
You supposed to talk about weed.
What you gave for yesterday?
I gave you what yesterday? $10. The best one.
She
You
thought
ain't
she
supposed to just talk about weed. But like I said, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell.
Look at my face.
Until next time, this your guy,
My hands compared to
Raekwon,
Man, I just need
and
to know
I'm
that
out.
you go in.